see the wing fences on the upper surface of the wings, more than on the Mig 15, designed to help stabilise airflow over the wings at transonic speeds. Manufactured in China as the Shenyang J5, in Poland as the Lim5 or the ground attack version, the Lim6. Also built in Czechoslovakia as the S104. Well over 770 of these were built in Poland by WSK Milek at Milek. And this is one of those machines.
A stunt that was pulled off by Soviet pilot Valentin Krylov, who managed to fly his Mig 17 under a bridge in western Siberia. The bridge was only 120 metres wide, and we can see by the size of the aircraft and the speed that it's flying at, it must have been an extraordinary sight. The event was described by witnesses who claimed this actually happened, even though people thought the photograph that was shown had been doctored. But it had been, the story remains, and on a sunny day on the 4th of June 1965, when Privalov flew under the central span of the communal bridge, the riverbanks were filled with people on vacation and officers from the nearby base strolling along in the sunshine.
In the Mig 15 to start off with, from German design. Thinner wings, thinner tailplane, approaching Mach 1 speeds. The fuselage was extended, but the majority of the Mig 15 airframe armour undercarriage had actually been retained.
I'm trying to make up my own Russian.
This aircraft is the only Mig 17 flying in Europe.
Yeah.
Powered by a 7,600-pound thrust. That's in wet conditions. Centrifugal flow turbine. This is very much different to the jet engines that you see operating today. All axial flow and centrifugal straight down from the jet rather than being thrown out to the sides from the rest and through. Nice low slope pass. Brilliant for the photographers.
This piece in the Mig is celebrated for the F4 front in the skies over Vietnam.
This was the principal BBS fighter into the late 1950s. Really
You're next bad.
quite a few countries. Even though they had 223 and a 37mm cannon, same armament as the Mig 15, this was very lethal in Afterburner now.